Hello guys and welcome to C Programming Tutorials by Amulya's Academy. Today in this tutorial let's talk about operators in C programming language. An operator is a symbol that operates on a value or variables. For example, plus is an operator. When I write 2 plus 3, here plus is an operator. 2 and 3 are called as operands. C language supports a rich set of built-in operators. Because C has wide range of operators, we can classify these operators into different category. So let's see the different types of operators in C programming language. So first one is arithmetic operators, next is increment or decrement operators, next is relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, conditional operators, special operators. We will discuss about each operators in detail, and today in this tutorial we'll discuss about arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators perform mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. on numerical value. First we'll discuss about the plus operator. This operator can be used in two ways. One is we can use this for addition, and another way is we can use it as unary plus. So first we'll see how to use this operator for addition. So to add numbers we can use plus operator. In the C file I'll take two variables a and b. I'll initialize a with 10 and b with 5. So next I'll add this %d and a plus b. So a plus b, I'm adding two numbers using plus operator. Next I'll save this and let's run this program. Here we can see the output 15. In this way we can add two numbers using plus operator. To use plus operator for the addition we need to mention the left side and right side. In the middle we need to use the plus operator. Next we can use this plus operator as unary plus also. We can use this plus operator as sign of the value or variable. Like this we can mention plus 5. This is called as unary plus because we are using only one operand with this operator. If you use only one operand with the operator, then that is called as unary operator. Here we are using plus with the single operand, that's why it is called as unary plus. And we can use this plus as the sign of the value or variable. So when I use plus, it won't have any effect on the operand. It will return the same value. And also in C, if we didn't use any sign before the value, it will take that value as the positive value, plus value, right? So I'll show you the example for this. So here I'll take another variable called C, and here I'll take C equal to plus B. Next I'll print that. Here I'll print C value. So let's save this and execute this. Here we can see a plus b is 15 and C value is 5. It won't write it as plus 5 because as I said, if you didn't use any sign, it will treat that as the plus value, positive value. Okay, so this is about the plus operator. We can use this for the addition as well as we can use it as unary plus. Next we'll talk about the minus operator. Like plus operator, we can use this minus operator also in two ways. One is for subtraction and another one is as unary negation. We can use minus operator for the subtraction as well as we can use it as unary negation. First let's see how to subtract values using minus operator. So we need to take left value and right value. In the middle we need to take the operator, minus operator. So here I'll subtract the value. I'll take a minus b and I'll comment this. Right, let's save this and run this. And here we can see a minus b is nothing but 5. It will subtract the value. It will subtract 5 from the 10. A minus b will get the result as 5. And next we can use minus operator as unary negation operator. The unary negation operator produces the negative of the operand. Unary plus operator doesn't have any effect on the operand, but the unary negation operator produces the negative of the operand. It will give the negative value of the operand. If I write minus 5, it is nothing but the negative value. If I have a equal to 10 and now if I write minus a, that is nothing but it will be minus 10, negation of 10. If the b value is minus 10, and if I negate this value, if I do minus b now, I'll get the positive value 10. Minus of minus is plus, right? That's why I'll take c as minus b, and I'll execute this. And here we can see the a minus b is 5 and c value is minus 5. Actually b value is 5. Here I took c equal to minus b. It will produce the negative value of the operand, so we'll get minus 5. Now if I take b value as minus here, okay, minus 5, and now if I execute this, here I'll get a minus b 15 because a value is 10 and b value is minus 5. So when I add 10 minus 5, I'll get 15. And here we can see c is minus b, so minus of minus, so I'll get c as positive value 5. So we can use the minus operator for the subtraction, as well as we can use it as the unary negation operator. Next we'll talk about the multiplication operator. So to multiply the numbers, we can use the multiplication operator. In the multiplication operator, we need to have left side and right side. In the middle, we need to use this operator. It will give the multiplication result. Okay, let's see the example for this. So here I'll take b as 5, and here I'll take a multiply b. And let's execute this. Here 50. 10 into 5, 50. When we multiply 10 with the 5, we'll get 50, right? If you want to perform multiplication in C programming language, you can use this multiplication operator. So the next operator is division. We'll use this operator. If you want to divide the numbers, you can use this operator. In this operator also, it has left side and right side. You can take the operator in the middle. It will divide the number and it will give the result. For example, here I'll take division operator. So let's execute this. When I divide 10 divided by 5, it will give the result as 2. Next, we have modulo operator. It will give the remainder. It will divide the number and it will give the remainder. It also has left side and right side. In the middle, you need to use this operator. So let's see the example for this. Here, I'll use percentage symbol. This is the modulo operator. And if I execute this now, the remainder is 0. Here a value is 10 and b value is 5. So when I divide the 10 by 5, I'll get the result as 2 and remainder as 0. So here we can see that remainder as 0. You can perform the arithmetic operation on the float values also, right? Here I am taking the example as int value. These are the arithmetic operators in C programming language. Using plus, we can do the addition as well as we can use it as unary plus. Next, minus operator, we can use this for the subtraction as well as unary negation operator. Next, we have multiplication operator. Next, we have division operator. And lastly, we have modulo operator. Right? So we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo operator. Let's execute this. Here, when I add, I'll get 15, subtraction 5, multiplication 50, division 2, and remainder as 0. And also we can use this plus and minus as unary plus and unary negation operator. When I use unary plus, it won't have any effect on the operand, but unary negation will produce the negative value of the operand. Alright, so this is about the arithmetic operators in C programming language. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.